What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle in the center of each eye. And we'll draw the bottom edge of the pupil, starting on the left. We're just going to leave a gap across the bottom and just pull that towards the inside. Let's switch to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the pupils. And we'll go around that center circle. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the lip. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the lip. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve this down underneath the eye, come down underneath the right eye, and then back up. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left, curve this down in the middle, across, and then back up. Now I want to trace the outside of the lip. We're going to start underneath the eye, we're going to go around the corner of the mouth, and then down. Let's trace that curve, going all the way across towards the middle. Go up on the right side, and then bend this back in. Let's add the top row of fangs. We're starting in the center, we're going to come down toward the left, and then back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a few more teeth on either side. Going down and up. Let's add one smaller one on the ends. Now let's move down and draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting in the center, we're going to go up and down toward the left and right. Then again, just adding a couple more on either side. Let's switch back to our thick marker and fill the inside of the mouth, going around the teeth. Now once we've completed the face, let's move up and draw the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side. Let's add a curve. We're going to come down in the middle, and then up towards the right. Now I want to add a point on the left. We're going to come down and in, bend this out, and then up towards the end. Over on the right side, I want to add a large gap. We're going to come down and in, go back up, come all the way down and in towards the eye. I'm going to pull this out, go all the way up towards the top, just lining up with the left side. Let's add 2 points on the end, down and then out. And we'll come all the way around the side of the head and then in. Let's add one more point along the jaw, going out and up. And we'll bend this down and then in underneath the lip. Now inside this gap, we want to add a coil of wires. We're going to start from the bottom with a curve, step up, draw another one, add one more. And we'll add some texture inside that wire with these little curves going across and working our way down. And do the same thing across the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with that gash going across the right shoulder. We're going to start on the right side of the lip, come down and in, bend this out, and then back up. Let's add those same wires inside with a curve I'll add some texture inside the wires. Now from the top, we're going to step down and curve the body going out and then down. Now let's draw that large wire going across the body. We're going to bend this out and go up on the left side. Let's move over, draw that same line coming across towards the waist, and then we want to round out the end of the wire. Let's do it again. Stepping out, draw another curve coming across, and then we'll round out the end. Let's add that texture inside, starting with the top. And then the bottom. Let's go over towards the left side. We're going to tear open the body. We're going to bend this down and out. Let's add some fur going across and then back up underneath that wire. Now the organs are going to spill out across the side of the body. We're going to curve this around and go up underneath. Let's add some rope inside. Along the bottom, add 2 curves. Step up, add 1 coming down. And then on the inside, we're going to add 1 more. Let's tear open the hip. We're going to start from the rope, this up, add a point coming down, back up. And those organs are going to spill out and up underneath the fur. We're going to add 2 ropes inside. Let's move to the center of the body. We're going to step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right. Go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and up towards the toes. And then from the toe, we're going to curve the foot going up and then bend that down towards the heel. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Now underneath the hips, we're going to draw the outside leg. We're going to start with a curve coming down and out, about halfway. Let's add a point of fur coming back in. Bend this down and out on top of the feet. Over on the right side, we're going to wrap some cable across the leg. So we're going to add that fur edge coming down, go up, and just working our way in. And then we'll layer that wire in behind. So we're curving the bottom. Add a couple lines going across towards the top. Let's add that texture inside. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Let's draw on the left arm. We're going to start from the side of the body, bend the arm going all the way out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw on the thumb, coming in and then back out. Let's add in the hand, coming down and in, round out the hand. Now we're going to go all the way around the outside and then taper the arm so it gets narrower as you come back up underneath. Let's add that fur edge across the top of the hand. Go up, down, just working our way out towards the outside. And we'll separate the fingers with 2 curves. Now similar to how we did the right leg, we're going to add some wires going across the arm. Let's start from the very top. Start with that fur edge going across. And I'll add that wire in behind. Let's add another one. And we'll add that texture inside. Now I want to tear the right arm in half, so we're going to start at the very top. Just going to line this up, and this out and down. Let's add that fur edge. Just going to tear up the edge of the arm, come in, and then up underneath the head. Let's add that wire going across the arm. And then finally, we're going to wrap that ribbon across the base of the arm. Start with those 2 curves. And then we'll add the bow across the outside. Let's trace this along the inside. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.